Alright, today we are going to talk about factoring when there is a number in front of the x squared. Okay, so for example here we have a 2x squared minus 6x minus 8. The first thing you need to do is see if you can factor that out. In this example right here we can factor out a 2. We're left with x squared minus 3x minus 4. And from there you can go on to factor that trinomial. Okay, it would be 2 times x minus 4 times x plus 1. If it cannot be factored, you need to split the middle term and then group terms. So this example right here, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. You cannot factor a 2 out of everything. So we're going to look at some examples here. This first one, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. There's a 2. We cannot take a 2 out of the 3 or the 1. So what we're going to do, we're going to multiply 2 times 1. That equals 2. What can we multiply then to get 2 that adds to get 3? And we know that's either negative 2 times 1 or negative 2 times negative 1. We need to add to get a positive 3, so we're going with 2 times 1. So what you want to do is split this. This is plus 2x plus 1x, because you had 2 and 1, 2x and 1x. Now bring the 1 down and bring this 2x squared. From there you group the terms. Okay, that was a plus. So when we group them, we're going to factor each one. 2x squared and 2x. What is the greatest common factor there? You can take out a 2x. You are left with 2x squared divided by 2x. The 2's cancel. We're left with x plus 2x divided by 2x is 1. Here, with 1x and 1, we can take a plus 1 out. You're still left with x plus 1. Now, these are the two things we have. You have a common factor in there. That common factor is x plus 1. So we're going to take that out in front, and what's left over, 2x plus 1. So factored, we have x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. And let's multiply that out just to make sure. If you do x times 2x, it's 2x squared. X times 1 is plus 1x. 1 times 2x is plus 2x. And 1 times 1 is plus 1. That gives us 2x squared plus 3x plus 1, which is what we started with. So right there, x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 is our factored form. Alright, seems confusing, I know. Let's do a couple more examples. Example 2, 3x squared plus 4x minus 4. Can we factor a 3 out of everything? No, 3 doesn't go into 4 evenly. So, step 1, you multiply 3 times negative 4. That's negative 12. Now, what can we multiply to get negative 12? Well, I know that's going to be negative 6 times 2, negative 2 times 6. That's one option. And there are others, yes, negative 3, 4, negative 4 times 3, negative 1 times 12, and negative 12 times 1. But I know I need to add to get a positive 4. Negative 2 plus 6 gives me a positive 4. So what I'm going to do is split this, negative 2x plus 6x. Bring down the minus 4, bring down 3x squared. From there we group it. One question I do want to answer, because it always comes up, does it matter whether you had done negative 2x and plus 6x or plus 6x and negative 2x? It does not. In fact, let me show you if we had written it the other way around, so plus 6x and minus 2x, I'll show you, let me do the first way and then I'll show you that way and show you it comes out to be the same thing. So here, with 3x squared and 2x, we can take out an x. We're left with 3x minus 2. 6x and 4, I can take out a 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3x. 4 divided by 2 is 2. From there, they both have a 3x minus 2. So I'm going to take that out in front. And what's left over? X plus 2. And there's my answer. Alright, now, if we had done it, writing it plus 6x and minus 2x, when we group it, the first group, we can take out a 3x. You're left with x plus 2. The second group, you can factor out a negative 2. Negative 2x divided by negative 2 is 1x. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 is plus 2. We can factor out, they both have x plus 2, so you can factor that out. You're left with 3x minus 2. Same thing, doesn't matter the order. Multiplication is a commutative property, so it doesn't matter. Either way works. Okay, I'm going to do one more example with you. Example 3, 4x squared minus 6x minus 40. Does that have a greatest common factor? Yes. 2 goes into everything. So if we factor 2 out, we're left with 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. We still have a 2. Okay, so from there, 2 didn't come out of the 3. So from there, we're going to use our multiplying and then grouping it. Okay, so 2 times negative 20 is negative 40. What can we multiply to get negative 40? That's going to add to give us negative 3. Well, let's try negative 5 times 8 or negative 8 times 5. Either one add to a negative 3? Yeah. Negative 8 times 5. So I'm going to split this. Negative 8x plus 5x. Bring down the minus 20. Bring down the 2x squared. Group that. 2x squared minus 8x. Common factor there is 2x. 2x squared divided by 2x, you have 1x left over. 8x divided by 2x is 4. On the right grouping, 5 goes into both of them, so you can take out a plus 5. 5x divided by 5 is x. Negative 20 divided by x is negative 4. From there, you can take out x minus 4, and you are left with 2x plus 5. And there you go. There are 3 examples. You may need to watch them a couple times, okay, to really understand it. If there are 3, try to write them down, follow them. On your notes page, you have the You Try problems. Try these, and we will go over them in class.